So good morning. So let us see the solid which is axis is inclined to both the planes, and we are going to take the triangular prism as a problem, right? So now this is a triangular prism where the axis is inclined to both the planes. So now first initially what I will do is I'll take the triangular prism where the axis is like this, okay, and I have to make this axis parallel to both the planes first. And next what we have to do, I have to make the axis inclined to horizontal plane, first thing. Then what you are going to observe, right? In the first case you will observe only this face and top view these two faces, right? These two faces. And next when I make it inclined to the horizontal plane, the axis inclined to the horizontal plane, what happens? In front view, the same thing you can see only one rectangular face, but coming to the top view of this one, you can see these two surfaces as well as this surface. This is the base. So this is one face, this is another face, back side, the top view, and this is another base. So this is called top base and this is bottom base, or we can call it as this is bottom surface and this is top surface. Right, this one is the top surface. And next, after this making inclination with the horizontal plane, if I make you inclination with the vertical plane, what is happening? So now, which view, what are the visible faces that you can see? So you can see this face, okay, you can see this top surface, and also you can see this face, right? Is it clear? This face you can see, this face you can see, and this one is also you can be visible. So when I put like this, can you see this one? No, I think it is not possible. Only this face is visible and this surface is visible. If I make it inclination with the vertical plane, then it is visible this one, the top surface, and as well as this face, because triangular prism has three faces, 1, 2 and 3. So let us see how we are going to construct the orthographic projection of a solid prism, that is triangular prism, axis inclination with horizontal plane as well as vertical plane. So how you will draw the front view and top view? So you don't know what is the height of this one. Okay, you don't know height because it is a slant edge. You don't know the height of this one. So to construct this height, then what you have to do? So first of all, you have to draw a triangle. So whatever the triangular base is there, so you have to draw a triangle here. Okay, after that you draw a line xy. Okay, you can draw a line xy. Then next, coming to the point, simply you project this line. Okay, I will draw it up. You project this line, and this is the height because you don't know the height, and just simply draw it. So now whatever the length of an object is there, that is the solid axis length. So or you can take it as height or length. So whatever the length is there, just simply taking with one of the reference point here, and whatever the length is there, simply I'll draw it here. Okay, simply I'll draw it here. So now I'll put a midpoint. How to take the axis? So now when opposite side to the opposite corner, if you draw a line, and from top to middle point, I will get an axis point here. So now I will draw an axis line here somewhere. Okay, right. Next thing, I will draw the projector. You know the length of the base or any face, because you know the triangular base. So simply I will draw another sketch here. So whatever the length I will take, just simply I will close the line. Okay, and you know this face is also visible. How you will construct this face? So now what you do is, from this particular point, you draw another line here. So parallel line. Let us take this is x1, y1 as a reference point, reference axis. Then you project a 45 degrees line here. So a 45 degrees line. Then you project the same point here. Okay, like this. Okay. So now project this one and project this one and project this particular point and draw a line. So this line is going to meet the axis, and this reference, this top view, this top line is going to match with the axis like this. Okay. Then next, in the first case, what we will do is we will make inclination with the horizontal plane. That is the first case. Now the axis is parallel to both the planes. This is the first condition. And what is the next condition? Inclination with the horizontal plane. So now I will make this axis inclined to the horizontal plane. Right. So now see here, simply I will draw an axis line, that is inclination with the horizontal plane with theta degrees, whatever it is, 30, 40, 45, whatever it is. Right. So now I am going to turn like this. Right. So whatever the picture is there, this is the size. So first of all, let us write the names of this one. So right, let me take, this is 1, 2, 3. So first one, what you are seeing. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and I will take A, B, C, that is back side. 1 comma A, 2 comma B, and 3 comma C. Okay, coming to the front view. So now this is 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. What will be the front view? Front view is 1. So this is 1, and this is, what is this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 is visible. So 1 is here, 3 is visible here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. So this is 2. So 2 is visible and 3 is visible. Suppose simply you take a right symbol. Okay. From this side you are looking. So 1 is visible, 2 is visible. Okay. And A point. Where is this A? A is back side. So nothing but this is A dash. So this is 1 dash. Okay. So this is 1 dash. Okay. And next this is 2 dash. And where it is B? B dash is behind this one. So here 2 dash comma B dash. And 3 is here. So put it 3 dash comma C dash. So this is invisible. So now when coming to this point, so here this is the face. This is the top view. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is here. So 1 is top point. So 1 is the top point. So this is a 1. Okay. And this is 2. Okay. And this is 3. Right. And what about this one? This is A. Right. This is B. And this is C. So now this is a naming. So immediately after drawing the front view, you have to give the points naming. Otherwise, it creates a lot of confusion and the problem may be mistake. Okay, you may make mistakes. So now I will draw the line 2, 1, 2, and B dash. Okay. Sorry, I think I have written wrong. So here this is 3 dash and here this is B dash. So this is 1, 2, 3 dash and A dash, B dash and C dash. Okay. Now I will shift the same diagram here and I will rotate it. Okay. So like this. So same shifting to this point and I will make like this. Okay. So now I will look this point and as well as this line and this line and this line. Okay. So simply I will draw a line. So this is 1 dash. Okay. And this is about, this is 2 dash comma 3 dash. And whatever the length of an object is there, simply I will draw a line here. I will put it as A dash. Okay. Then next I will draw another line here. I will put it as B dash comma C dash and I will close it. Okay. So now I have shifted the picture here. What is the next step? I have to draw the projectors from the respective points to the top view. To get the top view, I have to draw the projectors. So now this is the first projector, second one. So let me draw right? Right? Next. Okay, is it clear now? So these are the projectors that I have drawn from the respective points. Now I have to draw the projectors from the first top view. So now simply I'll draw a line here, I'll draw a line here, and I'll draw a line here. It is light lines that are drawn. Okay, maybe it not may be visible for you, right? So now I will locate one point. So this is point number 1. And where is 1? So 1 is here. So now I will locate point 1 here. And next 2 is here. And where is 2? 2 is here. Okay. And 3 is here. So this is point 3. Okay. Next A. A is here. So this is A. Okay. And this is B. And this is C. So now look at this one. So this is the first case, and now I have shifted this one. Okay, axis inclination to the horizontal plane. Then what you can see from the top view? The top view is this particular thing, that is ABC. ABC. This is the surface. Okay, and next this face that you can see, right? So first of all, I will make this one dark. Okay, this is the surface, and next I can see this line. What is this line? Top and this top point. Okay, top point and this is top point. Clear? Top point and this one. And next this side. When you are seeing from the top, you can see this line as well as this line. So now I will draw dark this one and this one. Okay. Then next, these two sides are visible when you are seeing from the top, right? This one and as well as this one. So now this is 1 and 3, 2 and 1. Which one is invisible when you are seeing from the top? This particular line is invisible. So that is, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. 2, 3 is invisible. So 2, 3 is invisible, so that I will draw a dotted line here. Right? Is it clear now? So now you can leave the top surface, this one. You can see this face. Okay. And top view this face. And this is a hidden surface that you cannot see from the top view. This face, this surface is not visible for you. Right? Then next, this is one condition is over, that the axis is inclined to the horizontal plane. Then next, what I have to do is, we have to shift or turn with inclination with the vertical plane. So this solid is going to incline with the vertical plane. So right, the same condition, that simply I will turn this axis like this. The same, now here the axis is there. So now I will write out the axis points. So the axis point will be here and axis point will be here. So now this matches the line. So this is the axis point, right? Top face. Now I locate point 1 on this one. 1, right? This is a line, okay, passing through it, and I know the distance from 1 to this midpoint of BC. Okay, 1 to midpoint of BC, you have to find out the length by this scale. So now I will find out the length here. Just I will take it imaginarily. So now I will put down the same length here and I will draw a line. Okay. After that, you take this length BC, midpoint, just put it down. This is C point and this is B point. So now I will put it as C and this one as B. Right? In the same case, I will take the length of 1 to this line. I will take 1 to 11. Okay. And I will draw a light line here. Okay. And similarly, I will put the points here. This is third point, first point, this is second point. Okay, and I know, notice the length of 1 to A, and I will put 1 to A length. So this is A. Okay, after taking the lengths from the normal by the normal scale and putting on this one, simply I draw the same diagram here. So 1, 3. Okay, and this one will be dark. So can you see the same picture that I have shifted there with the axis inclination with the vertical plane. After the inclination, what we have to do? So we have to make all the projectors to the front view. All the projectors from the front view. So now, as we are having many number of points, let us take one point. Okay, let us take one point, and I will draw lightly. Just please see clearly how I am drawing and from which point I am drawing. So I am drawing very lightly, so you can make it on your worksheets also. Right? So first point, this is 1, this is 1. So now I will draw the projector from 1. Okay, and where is 1 here? 1 point is here. So now I will draw a projector from 1. I will make it 1 dash. Clear? 1 dash. And next, I will draw the projector from 2. I will draw the projector from 2. And where is the point 2? 2 is here. I will draw a straight line from this one because 2 and 3 lies on the same line. Okay, 2, this is point 2 dash, and I will project the third point. So this is 3 dash. Okay, then next 1, 2, 3 is 4. Next, I want to shift this A, B, and C projectors. So first, I will shift this point A. So this is point A straightly, right? So now I will draw a line here, and I will put it as A dash. Okay, so the same A dash I am projecting here. And next, B and C lies on the same line. So now I will locate this point B. It looks like on the same line, but it may be different when you are going for the original drawing, right? So now I will take the same point here. So this point is B dash, and this point is C dash. Okay, then now which faces and surfaces are visible for you? So let's come back here. So now you know this is the first position that we have seen. This face is visible and this surface is visible, and now I am turning this one so that you can view this face as well as this surface. Right? 1, 2, and 3. So now confirm this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C as per the first thing. Right? Right. Now this is 1. Okay. What is this one? A. 1 A is visible. So now I will draw 1 dash A dash is visible. Okay. 1 A is visible. Next, this is 2. Okay, this is 2. 1 2 is invisible. So now let us take 1 3. 1 2 3 here. 1 2 is invisible. 1 3 is visible. So 1 3 is visible. Okay. So now let us take the same thing here. Okay. Next, this total surface is visible. A, B, C is visible. So now A to B, alright, B to C, and C to A. Okay, right. Then next, This one is 3 and this one is 2. Okay, this one is 2, sorry, B, and this one is 2. So 2B is also visible as well, 3C is also visible. So right. Now I'll draw 3C. I'll draw 3C and I'll draw B2. Okay, then next I'll draw 1, 2 also. Okay, and I'll complete this picture. So now these are the 3 faces. So now I will make it a little bit blur. Okay. So this face is visible. This is another face. So now this is another face, and this is another face which is visible. Right? One face, so that is this one. Okay, when you are looking from this point, you can see this view. This particular face is nothing but this one. 1 dash, A dash, B dash, and 2 dash. Next, this surface, this is nothing but this one, and the bottom one is nothing but this one. Okay, I think you might have got a little clarity about the projection of the solids and axis inclined to both the planes. So here in this projection of solids, the conditions may be given by the axis or by the base also. So by the base. Suppose let us take an example. Suppose if I want to keep one of its side of its base is in the horizontal plane. So now I have shifted it up, a little bit up. Right. Now when this particular side is in the horizontal plane, so first of all I have to keep it on the horizontal plane. And next, if I make an inclination to the horizontal plane, then you can see that the line is in the horizontal plane. And if you make an inclination with the vertical plane also, the same thing, the line is in the, so this line is in the horizontal plane. Otherwise, a corner problem will be also be given. So corner problem is like this. So first of all, you have to draw the triangular prism like this, and you have to make turning with the horizontal plane such that a corner will be in the horizontal plane. So the conditions may be given in this form. So one condition is maybe side condition. Okay, that may be longer side or shorter side. So longer and shorter will be in case of rectangular prism, and that is what we can say square prism. Okay, and for pentagonal and everything it is well. And one is corner problem. Okay, corner problem. These two are the concepts. When corner becomes a main agenda, then we have to start with another method. So here this is a base. You can call this side or base, or we can base or edge also. So edge, base and side problem. So this one. If corner problem comes, so simply this one will be reversed and this one will be reversed. So one gauge will be down, and here only one point will be there. Simply you reverse it. All the diagrams you reverse it. So that will become a corner problem. So thank you very much. If you are having any doubts regarding this inclination of solids with both the planes, put me as a comment so that I will give a explanation through the comment itself. Thank you.